Chevrolet really did it this time. If you haven't heard about the news yet, you will hear it in this video. I'm telling you right now, this is the channel to be a part of. If you want the latest and the greatest C8 Corvette information, well, definitely smash that subscribe button.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back at Seek on the Speed 252. Thank you for pushing that play button. I got some exciting things to talk about today. As you all know, the C8 miniature Corvette reveal is going down next week. Yes, next week we will see the next generation Corvette. As you all know, this is a C7, but it'll be no longer C7. It'll be all about the C8 going forward from here. As we all know, they will live stream it. I said over and over in plenty of videos that GM planned to live stream this on their own social media website. I said I was going to watch it live with you guys on a live stream. I'm not going to be able to do so because I have to travel out of town next week, unfortunately. But I do want to see y'all photos, y'all reactions, send me pictures, or whatever the case may be, or how you feel about a C8 miniature Corvette. I'm super excited, but I can tell you some things that's going to go on at the event and some things of people that's going to plan to be there. Airport, that airplane right there, right behind me is pretty cool. And that was freaking awesome. But we are at the airport. I do have to travel out of town next week, so I won't be able to watch the live stream with you all. I really apologize about that. But let's hop in the car and talk about who's going to be the C8 miniature Corvette reveal and if things is going to go down. So once again, I want to thank you all for joining me and pushing that play button. I am super stoked. I'm super excited to bring you all this information regarding the C8 miniature Corvette. As you all know, the Corvette will be traveling in the United States to different dealerships. Like, look for the biggest dealership in your area. Supposedly they're going on tour. This is something different. This is something they never did with the Corvette before. They never went on tour. So you're going to expect to see a big old trailer with a C8 miniature Corvette rolling out of that thing, and they're going to have a demos where you'll be able to build your own C8 miniature Corvette. Now that's something different, something special, and I feel like Chevrolet is putting a lot of hype behind this car, and so I want to make another video of your thoughts on that. But at the moment, I think that what they're going to do as far as trailing the car around the United States is definitely a great thing for a lot of Corvette customers who don't really get a chance to go out and see those things elsewhere. I'm pretty sure the C8 miniature Corvette is going to be at a lot of locations like Corvette and Carlisle, you know, the Rose by the Kentucky, all those things. But you know, at the end of the day, we all can't make those events. And once again, the C8 miniature Corvette reveal is next week, next Thursday, the 18th, and the GM is going to live stream this on their media site. So I'm sure you can go to their website and take a look at it. Unfortunately, I will not be able to watch that with you, so I will be traveling out of town. But I am super stoked to talk about the miniature. I'm super stoked to see that car in person at some point. And I feel like the people that are inviting there is going to be great. And I'm sure they're going to have the big GM executives always going to be there. They're going to have some of the press that's going to be there. Some of the big, you know, car and driver, those guys are going to be there. The list goes on and on and on. And how many people is going to be at the C8 miniature reveal? You know, they had that location hidden for so long. But I'm going to tell you one thing. I actually knew exactly where they were going to host the C8 miniature Corvette for the longest time ever before. A lot of people even knew that it was actually going to the C8 miniature Corvette because I had friends and family that live in California and exactly the same location where the event is going to be held at. And I asked them, where's the place out there in your area where you think this could be held at? And they told me exactly where it was. This ain't nothing new. GM used this facility before. Let me tell you how. They use this facility when they make commercials. When you see most of the truck commercials, and you know, when you go in and this commercial starts off with this guy explaining like the GM Power Wars, the JP Power Wars, what the case may be, and you see the cars behind you in the background and they pull the sheets off, that's the same building. They ain't same building. They ain't tricking nobody, but I can tell you one thing. This one's gonna be great. And a lot of YouTubers already talked about where it's gonna be located at. I don't have the exact address, but at the end of the day, I can tell you one thing. I'm super excited to tell you I'm going, baby. I'm gonna be at the C8 miniature Corvette reveal. Yes, Seagull on the Speed 252 will be there. I got invited, and I'm super stoked to tell you right now, there's nothing I've been waiting for. I've been waiting for this for a long time. The process got started a year and a half ago, and I eventually received my email from Chevrolet saying you have been invited to the C8 Miniature Corvette reveal. Yes! Booyah, baby! I'm telling you, a lot of people have doubted me. A lot of people from the Miniature Corvette forum doubted me. And here's the thing. The craziest thing is about a lot of big YouTubers didn't even get invited. I'm here with 10,000 followers. I'm here with you all. You all helped me get here. Like, I am grateful and thankful for each and every one of you. Like, I literally only have 10,000 followers compared to people that has 800,000, 200,000, 300,000 who didn't even get invited. And I got a special invite from GM itself. And that means the absolute word to me. You all know how I've been talking about this and working on this and been waiting for this special moment, and I'm going. I'm freaking going. That's all I can say. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there. Seagull on the Speed 252 will be in California at the C8 Miniature Corvette reveal. And guess who else is gonna be there? The Corvette, baby. Because Chevrolet said they wanted this to be there. And that's another reason why I'm super excited to go. So yes, I'm not gonna be in town to watch it live with you guys from the social media website. I'm sorry. But I couldn't pass up on this opportunity. They want the C7 Chrome Corvette to be there in the front building as people walking in. I'm super stoked about it. I'm super excited to make this reveal. I also had the opportunity to invite another person, which is my friend Mike. Mike will be there with me as well. GM gave me the opportunity and said, hey, is there anybody else you'd like to bring along with you, give a special invite to? And so Mike is coming along with me. He's my awesome buddy. I met him on YouTube. I mean, what, a year ago, I messaged him on YouTube. He messaged me back. We became best friends literally just based off YouTube, and we only met once. But we talk on the phone every single day. That's how you build a friendship. It's just the love for the car just brings us all together, and I'm super stoked to really talk about it and see it. And I'm really glad I'm able to share this experience with you guys. Like, literally gonna be there at the C8 Miniature Corvette. I already got my pass. You all gonna see it all in this video, whether it's in the beginning of this video already or whether it's at the end. You will see exactly the, not the probably exact email, but my invite and all that good stuff in this video. I'm greatly stoked. I'm super excited. I'm telling you right now, I'm so overwhelmed about it. GM even told me, do not say anything about this until it gets closer to the reveal. So I've known about me going to the reveal for the past 2.5, 3 weeks now. That's how long ago they've been inviting me to this event, and I'm super stoked. Like, now I can let the cat out of the bag type of thing because I'm going to be there. I mean, I'm lost for words. I'm just lost for words, and I'm super excited to be going on this journey with you all. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I'm telling you right now, this is one of the best channels to be a part of. I'm not a big YouTuber. I don't make a lot of money on YouTube. I make about 200 bucks a month off YouTube. That's not really a lot enough to really do anything except maybe pay like car insurance and put gas in the car. That's it. But I do this because I love you all, and you guys are part of my family. We're like family here. We're growing together. We're going to be a great family. Also, before I end this video at some point, which it may not be right now, I want to give a shout out to the real Don for actually helping me record this video. He's one of my best friends as well. He doesn't want to go because he thinks it's too far, but at the end of the day, he is a great friend of mine. He's shaking the camera right now, as you can see it going up and down. But he's a really great dude. He probably will be at some of the other events with me, maybe, Corbin and Carlisle. You probably get a chance to meet him because he is the guy that holds the camera a lot. Thanks to him, and I really appreciate the things that he do. So it's possible. I'm trying to drag him to Corbin and Carlisle. You all should say, hey, Don, go to Corbin and Carlisle because he's a great guy. He'll have a great time there. And looking forward to going to California and being there for 7 freaking days and just going to do my thing out in Orange County. I lived in California about 2 years in the northern part of Sonora near Fresno and all that stuff. And at one point I almost went to Fresno Community College, and I'm super excited to go back. But I always had a dream of mine of actually driving my C7 Corvette out there in California, Los Angeles, with the top off, having a good time, and just being there. And I'm ready to see this car. I'm ready to see what it's all about. I'm ready to see the hype behind it, and I'm ready to see exactly what this car can give to the world. So let's be ready for the next C8 Corvette reveal because I'm definitely planning to be there.